Hi again. This is Damaris, and I mentioned in a previous video that I've done a little bit with Python, and over the years I've built little projects here and there, many unfinished projects. Just thought maybe I'd share one here that I did a couple years back. It was a little game. I was trying to learn more so how to work on logic and XY coordinates and managing where my little character is and things like that. It was really fun little, just thing to do to practice. And I'll tell you, I really love the engineering community because, like, I don't know, somebody shared these assets for free just so people could play around. Everybody's just so welcoming in this community, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. I wouldn't call myself a full-time engineer or anything like that, you know. I just do little basic things like this. One day I do want to do like my own full little mini app, but for right now, I have a lot of fun just playing and staying close to the craft. I think this makes me a very unique type of product manager because I can speak the language of the engineers. I understand their pain and sufferings, and I understand what's possible and not possible usually. And I listen to, our engineers very closely to make sure that, helping to build something that's actually realistic and scalable and maintainable. So I like to incorporate that with my product management skills in, having those different languages talking to the business and the clients and the engineers is really, it really is talking different languages. And I think it's important to speak the language of engineers. This is something I'm working on currently, a lot more recently here. And this is an integration between Twilio and OpenAI. And I'm using Supabase, Postgres as my database. And my backend here is Fast API. As you see, this is Python. And I tell you, I really love Fast API. I've used other tools. But Fast API with their, you can do types and, uses Pydantic. I really enjoy working with Fast API. And so you see here, I built some endpoints. And here you can also see that I'm using Cursor. So I actually really like to use AI tools to help me learn more. Since this isn't my day in and day out job, sometimes I might need a little bit of extra love from the AI to tell me how can I build this type of function to do this, and explain it to me like I'm in kindergarten, and then I just learn how to develop that way. So a lot of people tell me that I discount myself and my knowledge because don't, I don't know everything. And but I do love to learn. And you see here, like I built a lot of these, and yeah, it's just a lot of work here that I've done. And I have so much more to learn. And I really just enjoy dabbling. This is just a hobby of mine. And so, yeah, that is pretty much, I just wanted to show you some of my hobbies and show you why I think I could be a good product manager a little bit more because of my hobby. But thank you so much for listening, and I hope we meet again sometime. Have a great day. Bye.